Ari's first steps. Look at Ari. Yay!
Why are you shooting at an angle like that?
Because I'm too close. I'm going to get her whole body. Come on, Ari. Show us how you can walk. I know. Uh-oh. Tripping over mommy's shoe. First steps. What's today's date, Sean?
March 5th.
It's not March.
February 5th.
February 5th, 2010. Miss Ariana. Go, Ari. Hey, Sean, do your little dance. Make Ari laugh. Do your little dance. Uh-oh. 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 That is half doing it. Half doing it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Made her laugh so much she fell over.